My turkey got out. Everyone, welcome back to my channel with Antong Philippine Adventure update for my turkey. So I asked help from my brother-in-law to put me like this bamboo. It's like cage for them because I want this grass here to grow. And every morning the routine is I will just put them outside. So we will just let them out first. By the way, they love to eat this banana. Yeah. So we will go outside. They know where to go already. Ayaw lagi dira. Uy. They will just eat here. So they love like this kind of grass. I always use my long stick. There's daddy there. Yeah, this is the baby turks. Yeah, so they're happy eating this kind of grass. They love to eat like this kind of grass. I think because it's like spinach type. So it's not been long time. I think like 3 to 5 minutes. It's okay for them, so they will just be satisfied. Just let them out once a day. So they're going back now, so it's take time only like 3 to 5 minutes, then they will just go back inside. They're back now. So we'll just close the gate. So they're done. So inside. So they go inside now. I will give them feeds. Look at them. You cannot wait. We have food already, but they don't like this kind of food. They're used to eat feeds. They used to, see, they cannot wait. So we'll just mix this kind of food and that. So every day I will use this kind of feeds maintenance, and this red one is for the female for the egg, so that they can lay egg more. On that side is male, female. I mean, then here is so that's one all is female. So a little big area for them because on this side here is mama is lay egg already. So sad to say the 9 of the chicks is the only one survive because that time it's rainy season, so that's the problem of turkey chicks. They will get sick, but this one is the only one survive. So he has water there. The other one at the end is for vitamins, and this one here is pure water already. I putting this 2 days ago because no more bugs growing already. So that's it. It's plenty of food there. And then they can roast over here to put some to that one. So that's it for today, guys, for the update of my turkey. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.